Why is the insurance company fighting my case? Who's really calling the shots here? Well, in many circumstances, it's an adjuster who sits behind a desk who probably has your file and 199 others, and it's easier to simply deny the claim than to have to file the paperwork, to acknowledge that you got hurt, to acknowledge that you're owed weekly benefit checks, to figure out who the doctor is, and so on and so on. Sometimes the adjuster is not the one who makes the initial decision, but it's the employer. Maybe the employer doesn't like you. Maybe the employer decided, well, nobody witnessed the injury and therefore it didn't happen, when in fact you know it happened. You went to the emergency room. It was documented that very day that it happened, but the employer has decided no. So it could be those two sets of entities, or it's the lawyer behind the employer and behind the insurance company that's looking in when they are being asked to do so and decided, yeah, no, on a technicality, we're going to go ahead and deny this claim. Any one of those things are possible. And also, it's that there's an adjuster who never really paid attention to it, and so you're just not getting the medical care and the weekly benefit checks that you're deserving, and someone's not paying attention until you finally come and hire a lawyer to say, hey, wait a minute, I'm not being paid here. My medical care is not being authorized, and I have a significant back injury, or I can't walk because my knee is torn up. And until I, as your lawyer, file the necessary paperwork to request a hearing, to put the employer-insurer on notice, to let them know you need and deserve medical care, nothing is happening. And that happens very often too. Sometimes people think, oh, my claim's been denied, when there's actually been nothing done because people are just not paying attention. We've been doing this for over 37 years. We're happy to help you navigate this very adversarial system and get you through this process so that you can get the benefits that you deserve. Thank you.